As of today, it will henceforth be the official policy of the United States government that there are only two genders, male and female.
What possibly can be your argument in trying to stall, a new India debate? I hope you realize that even the Supreme Court has seen reason. Mr. Sharafuddin.
See, if Mahesh would have the slightest idea of the effect of homosexuality in the initial stages in US, he would not have taken this stand, according to me. In 1986, the Center for Disease Prevention and Control of USA found that first time a particular syndrome was found among homosexuals, and they name it as GRID, gay-related immune deficiency. And after that, that GRID had become AIDS. So thanks to homosexuality, humanity got AIDS. Second point, that it's not an individual issue between two consensual adults, rather it's a social issue.
So the argument, Ilyas, that you make is that this is not part of the social custom, right?
I want to highlight that on the same argument which the Mahesh and the other gentlemen had given, tomorrow bestiality will be legalized. Incest will be legalized because it's a matter of between two individual adults. There will be no boundary left at all. After bisexuality, the coming years we'll have trisexuality. Man, man to woman, as well as man to animals also. What I'm trying to say that there has to be certain Lakshman Rekha.
No, one moment.
I'm trying to save 1 billion Indians from AIDS, syphilis, gonorrhea. I don't want them to die a painful death. Please understand the pathology behind the whole act. It is very dangerous for humanity, bring lot of diseases and may destroy the whole young generation of India, I'm saying.
That you are trying to, as Mr. Jethmalani was saying, trying to give legitimacy to your argument by saying that it will spread disease. And here we are telling you it will not spread disease. We have reached a situation.
I challenge you, bring any doctor who tells you what you are saying is true. I challenge you, bring any MBBS doctor
I feel,
who says what you are saying is true.